Kiefer drops JJ home, the memory of their dance still lingering between them. The warmth of their kiss crackles in the air, sending a shiver down her spine. As he bids her good night, a soft smile lingers on her lips, happiness glowing from within. But the next day, everything changes. JJ avoids Kiefer at every turn. Whenever he tries to come near, she looks away, her heart caught in a whirlwind of emotions. Sensing the sudden distance, Kiefer finally has enough. He grabs her wrist, forcing her to face him, his voice edged with uncertainty. Are you avoiding me because of the... Before he can finish, JJ silences him, her heart pounding as their eyes lock. She knows exactly what he wants to say. Because of the kiss? But before the words can slip past his lips, Kian's voice interrupts. Cyan, eager to stir excitement in the class, announces a daring deal. If he scores a perfect 100 on the exam, JJ has to confess who she truly likes. The class erupts with cheers, urging JJ to accept. She doesn't want to agree, but with everyone watching, backing out isn't an option. Besides, she already has an escape plan in mind. As the push and pull between her and Kiefer continues, another unexpected moment takes her by surprise. During a game, she's forced to kiss someone. After a brief hesitation, she chooses David, pressing a soft kiss to his cheek as he sleeps. The room falls silent for a moment before gasps ripple through the crowd, eyes widening in shock. Before JJ can process the chaos, Drew approaches her, his voice low and urgent. I need to borrow money, he says. His expression is unreadable. The reason behind his request a mystery. JJ wants to press him for answers, but before she can, the teacher makes a major announcement. The prestigious University of Hamilton has extended an invitation to the class. Excitement fills the air, but JJ's mind is elsewhere. Later that night, unable to shake her concern, she calls Drew. Why are you absent again, Drew? Where are you? She asks, her voice laced with worry. A long pause. Then finally, his reply chills her to the bone. King's Ground. The name alone makes her blood run cold. Before she can react, Yuri overhears. His expression darkens instantly. That idiot, he mutters before grabbing JJ's hand and storming out, dragging her along with him. Word travels fast. It doesn't take long for Kiefer to learn that JJ has gone to King's Ground. Without a second thought, he follows. At the heart of the chaos, Drew is caught in a reckless gamble, trapped in danger that could cost him more than just money. Yuri steps in, determined to pull him out. But before he can take control of the situation, Kiefer arrives, colliding with him. Now, the underground fight ring becomes the battleground for something more than just fists. Two forces stand face to face, Yuri and Kiefer. The air crackles with unspoken rivalry, the tension between them a storm waiting to break. JJ pushes through the crowd, her voice desperate as she pleads with them to stop. But neither of them listens. This is no longer about Drew. This is about proving something. To each other, to themselves, and to her. And neither of them is willing to back down.